Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Breakout You're Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Sterling yen falling out of the box, starting to recover a little bit. It's due to dollar yen's rally. Got to pay attention to that dollar yen. If it falls out of bed, sterling yen could take a dump. So right now we made a low at, I believe 197.72-ish right now. It's got to get above like 198. I'm going to say 198.40. 198.40. I'm going to bring this level down a little bit to 198. 43 is good. Look, see how we came up? We popped it. It was still resistance. If dollar yen continues to rally and sterling can recover off the lows of this 133 level, then we got a potential for sterling yen to consolidate again. But right now, as it stands, critical price is sitting right at 197.42. If that level breaks, we're looking at like 196.80 in sterling yen. It's still like in slightly bearish, consolidating. It's all going to depend on what happens with dollar yen. Dollar yen falls. Right now we're sitting at 148, say 50. If dollar yen breaks down and cable can't recover, this is headed for another downward push. So your critical price today, right now, is 198.42. Main support on the day is 197.46. Watch that dollar yen. Let's go over to good old sterling dollar. Called this one, nailed it. Didn't have a downside target. Said if it breaks here, I should have put a downside target on it. Let me look at sterling dollar itself. Let me see where the main support is right now. We went down to 133.15. Um, 133.15. Wow. Okay. Let me see if I can get something longer term here. 130. Wow. I'm going to say 132, 132.75. 132. Actually, it's 132.60. Let me go like, let's go right here. 132.68 is a main support. If this breaks, it's opening its way up to like 131. So in order for cable to start to recover, right now it needs to recover above 133.65.70. And then it's going to potentially track in between, so let's say this high and this low right here. It should track in between here. There's nothing really major happening in cable. It's still kind of slightly bearish. Dollar yen is leading the show. We're going to get into that in a moment. Let's go over to good old dollar yen. I'll show you dollar yen right here. Look at this. Major breakouts in dollar yen. Major resistance at 149.18. Hasn't been able to do it quite yet. As it stands, I'm going to move this level down. 148.28 is the level that has to hold. Now, we kind of punched it, but we didn't punch it after making this new high. So it's a still good support level. If this level breaks, we could expect to move back down to 147.91. We can get through this top, a 149.15. Really, there's going to be some heavy duty selling right at 149, I say 43. There'll be some heavy duty selling up there for quick profit taking, maybe pushing us back down into this area right here. It would say it does this. If it can break it, there's going to be resistance up here, could push us back down into this area right there. Watch for higher bottoms because maybe dollar yen is starting to take off. All right, now let's go on over to euro yen. Euro yen. Man, it took a pounding. Told you had to hold 172.03 was main support, or else we were dropping back down. Here were your warning levels up here: 173.26 and 173.12. Don't believe me? Go back and watch the videos. Called it, nailed it. So I had many followers looking at my videos. They would have made a fortune on this. But hey, I'm not flashy with Lamborghinis and throwing money at people. I'm just a old Forex trader with 30 years experience. Sorry for taking it out on you, but it gets a little bit frustrating. So as it stands right now, euro yen low, 171.05. Man, 171.05. So I'm going to go 171. 174 is a level it's got to get over. If it can't, it's drifting lower and it's going to, I'll tell you where it's going to. It's going right down to this pivot right here, 170.79. That opens, it's moving down to 169.93. So euro yen is weak. It's in a bearish tone right now. Any type of rally, if you're, if you're a euro yen bear, look to sell it with a tight stop on it. Got to watch that dollar yen, got to watch the dollar yen because as dollar yen continues to rally, excuse me, it's causing the US index to rise. And this is, the euro dollar is falling. So it's all related. It's all related. Dollar yen is the key. If dollar yen can turn around and drive the US dollar index downward a little bit at this double top, then we could start to see potential euro dollar rally. So you got to pay attention to everything. All right, got everything in there for you in a short little video for today. There's a link in the description. You can get yourself a free video and ebook on price breakouts. See if they're good or not. Hey, can't beat the price. It's free. And I look forward to seeing in tomorrow's video. Remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance at the door. Cheers.